Do the elephant dance. Oh yeah, do the elephant dance. Ooh, elephant dance.
We're Dylan and Jen. We love to eat and drink our way around as we explore new places and then show you the best things we find. We call it Urban Hiking Plus.
Hey everybody, welcome back to another video coming to you again from Chiang Mai, Thailand. This is our 6th day here, and today is going to be pretty awesome. We are going to an elephant sanctuary to feed and bathe the elephants. We did this last year when we were in Phuket, and it was an awesome experience. We are really looking forward to it. You get super up close with the elephants. It's an amazing time, so stick around for that. But first, we are going to grab some coffee at our favorite little coffee place called Small Talk, and then eat at this buffet that looks really awesome that is right next door. Alright, so we're doing this buffet. It looks really good. So I guess we're just ordering an egg. Ooh, yes. How about some of that? Yes. I have no idea what that is, but that looks delightful. Some of the larb. Ooh, yes. And then put a little of that one. Yeah. Oh yes. Looks great. It's good. Kapung kap. Alright, so then we add stuff to it, which is gonna make it awesome. Some condiments in there. Might as well get some of that cilantro on there. Okay, get one of these little bowls and then try some of this. That looks really good. Check that out. Bring it back to the table. So what I got was an egg, got rice under it, and then this is called larb, which is sort of minced pork. And then I don't know what this is. This looks like maybe chicken larb guy with tofu, and then some other meat stuff over here. Gonna cut off some egg, right together with some larb. Yeah, the larb is good. Yeah, it's definitely like minced pork larb. Goes really well with the egg. Now we can try the kind of this chicken thing with the mushrooms. Yeah, so it's chicken and tofu. That's good. I'd say probably my favorite is the pork larb. That's really good.
It's really good.
So yeah, this whole thing, mine was 50 baht, Jen's was 45, so 95 baht total comes out to just over $3, which is pretty much the same as our coffees. Really good value. Super tasty food. You can tell it's a very locally spot. A lot of people coming in, looks like for kind of quick breakfast. Good spot. It's fun to do the buffet style. You can see everything all in front of you and try a bunch of different stuff. In Bangkok, we're going to be going to a place where it's a buffet that's like, I think it's like $1.50 or something for like all you can eat buffet, same sort of thing, right near Lumpini Park. So definitely check out that video. That's going to be awesome as well. Yeah, elephant sanctuary van.
Thank you.
Elephant jungle sanctuary.
Thank you.
Elephant jungle sanctuary and got a couple elephants behind us. We're gonna start feeding them. Ride up here was about an hour long, kind of crazy. So yeah, excited to be here, kind of relaxing. They got these cool snazzy shirts that you can see. Apparently those make it so the elephants recognize you as being a friend of theirs, kind of their caretaker. So yeah, check it out.
Good, the banana was good for help to the elephant eye. Help to the eye elephant. The grass was good for to the elephant muscle. Muscle, yeah. Later you see after eat many food.
Whoa, yeah. Getting excited about something? Getting all excited about getting food? Yeah, do a little elephant dance. Do the elephant dance. Oh yeah, do the elephant dance. Ooh, ooh, elephant dance. These elephants are really excited. Here. Okay, I'll get there. There you go. Nice. Bon bon. There you go. Oh, you are nice. Yeah, this is the old one. 72? I know.
Beautiful teacher outside.
All right, and then we come outside and then we're gonna feed them sugar cane. Yeah, it's the baby one.
His head is really hairy.
Yeah, hey buddy. Oh hi, how are you? How's it going? Oh, big elephant snuggles. Oh, there you go. Oh yeah, elephants are coming.
What's his name?
Noji.
Noji. Hello, Noji.
Still chomping on stuff?
You know why? Yeah, cool down themselves, okay? Okay, one banana for you later, okay? Yeah, cool down themselves.
Oh, that's awesome. Oh, he's flopping over. Oh, he's flopping over. Yeah.
Gotta put water on the elephant.
Okay.
Oh, he's rolling over. Oh, he's kicking. Yeah, they're like flopping around. Oh yeah, he's fine.
Oh my god, they are funny.
Come on, Everybody
have a glue. Okay. Keep getting water in my mouth.
And And the elephants are out. So in the Phuket Elephant Sanctuary, we did mud and then we did water. Whereas in this one, we're doing the opposite. We're actually doing water and then we're doing mud afterwards. Apparently it's good for them at night, sort of to protect them from the sun and stuff. So this one is opposite. We add mud second. Yep. And now we get the elephants muddy. And you just smear it all over them.
Come on, everybody!
Yep, gotta apply the mud nice and thick all of their elephant body. That's the way that you do elephants. Let's see, how do you get more mud?
It's hard to get it.
Yeah. Here's where we can put it on. Hey buddy, you need to get some mud on you there. Let me help you out. There you go.
Oh, likes it. Oh, it's muddy.
It's so clean.
Oh, thank you. I was trying to maintain that.
Oh, they're having a little battle. No. You're just getting muddier.
Okay. Very good, my friend. Thank you.
Oh yeah, I think you're all right.
Yeah, there's a spot right there. Okay. Oh, you got it.
Elephant Jungle Sanctuary is all sorts of fun. And one thing to keep in mind is that like this is not a riding thing. So some people, you know, think about, oh, I'm gonna come to town, I'm gonna ride elephants, but that's actually really bad for the elephants. It's not safe for them. It's really dangerous. And a lot of these elephants actually have been saved from those kind of places where people ride the elephants and they're abused and things like that. So this place is actually for happy elephants who are safe. So if you come to Thailand yourself, like definitely don't do the things where you're riding the elephants, where you're doing stuff that's sort of abusing them. Come to an animal sanctuary where you're actually going to be nice to elephants. Like here we feed them, they're not chained or anything. You can see like they have a big area. So it's a very, very different experience. Like so definitely don't do the animal tourism thing where you're riding elephants or doing stuff where they're doing tricks or things like that. Definitely not the kind of thing you want to do or support when you're in Thailand. So one cool thing is the elephants live a long time. So this elephant behind me, she is, I think it's 72 or 76. There's a couple of really old elephants. And they live as long as people do. So it's a really long-term relationship that people have with these elephants. They usually have one single trainer that's with them since they're really young, and they have a really good bonded relationship with them, which is really cool. So that's about it for Elephant Jungle Sanctuary. Had an amazing time here. If you're coming to Thailand, I would definitely recommend doing this. One of the greatest things you can do. We're gonna get in the van and head back to Chiang Mai.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to like the video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe so you can follow along with our adventures. Our next video is going to be a cooking class in Chiang Mai, and we've got a bunch of other great travel content on the channel as well. We'll see you again in the next video.
Went up my nose.
YouTuber, right?
Yes, yeah.